Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve the one more question on a code on a less than 500 rating, which is October Marathon. So the chef has organized a 30-kilometer marathon in Sheffland. Okay, so the chef has organized 30-kilometer marathon in Sheffland. The participant received medal on completing the marathon of a following. If the total time is less than 3 hours, if total time is less than 3 hours, then it will receive gold. And if the total time is greater than 3 hours but less than 6 hours, so they will receive the silver. And if it is greater than 6, then they will receive a bronze. Okay, so you just have to check that whether the participant receives silver, gold or bronze. So you just have to print it. Okay, so let's take an example here. So if uh, okay, so x is given. If x is less than 3, then we have to provide gold. If x is greater than 3 and less than 6, then I have to provide silver. In the same way, if x is greater than 6, then I have to provide bronze. Okay, so you just have to write the code for it. This is the, I guess, very simple question. You just have to use the if else statement. So the pseudo code here, so the pseudo code will be if x is greater than 3, so x is less than 3, if it is less than 3, then I have to do cout gold. Okay, else if x is greater than 3 and then x is less than 6, then I have to do cout silver. Okay, else I have to do cout bronze. Okay, means it is greater than 6. So I just have to find this. So let's write the code here. Int x, you don't have to take the input number of test cases. So then you have to use if else statement. If x is less than 3, then you just have to do cout gold. Okay, else if x is greater than 3 and x is less than 6, okay, then you just have to do cout silver. Else you just have to do cout, else you have to do cout bronze. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, let's submit this. Okay, let's again run this. Where is the wrong? Debug my code. Okay, now it will work fine, I guess. So let's run this code again. Yeah, this code works fine. Thanks for watching.